Zach blanked the highest level by the next game. Has reached, have reached, is reaching, will have reached. Dito, makakakita na naman tayo ng by plus a future event. Again, di ba, pag nakita tayo ng by plus a future event, it sets a future deadline. So, ibig sabihin, before pa mag-start yung next game, expected na si Zach ay na-reach na yung highest level. Again, this action will be completed prior to this event. Makaka-highest level na siya bago itong next game. So, meron tayong future action na makukumpleto prior to a future event. At kapag gano'n, ang ginagamit natin ay future perfect. Again and again, pag perfect, ibig sabihin before, prior. So, pag future perfect, bago ang future. Ang formula ng future perfect ay will plus have plus past participle. Sa options natin, letter D ang nasa future perfect. Will have reached. So the sentence should read, Zach will have reached the highest level by the next game.